Hi everyone, welcome back. In Windows 11, you can record your screen using the built-in snipping tool without installing any extra software. Let me show you how to do it step by step. First, click on the Start menu, search for Snipping Tool and open it. Once the Snipping Tool opens, look at the top. You will see two options, Screenshot and Screen Recording. Click on Screen Recording. Now click on New. Your screen will slightly dim and you can now select the area you want to record. Drag your mouse to choose the recording area. After selecting the area, click on Start. You will see a short countdown and then Windows 11 will begin recording your screen. Perform whatever actions you want to record. When you are done, click on Stop. The recording will automatically open inside the Snipping Tool preview. From here, you can click Save and store the video on your computer. The file is saved in MP4 format, ready to share or upload. This method is perfect for recording tutorials, browser demos, settings, walkthroughs, and quick how-to videos. Keep in mind, the Snipping Tool records a selected area, not the full desktop with system audio in some cases. You can now record your screen on Windows 11 using the Snipping Tool. Simple, fast, and without any extra software. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next tutorial.